Okay, so this first slide is an introduction to your presentation, and we would like to see some cool photos of things that have happened to you over the course of this year or things that you've done. So to start off, making sure we're doing this correctly, you will go ahead and highlight the student's name here part, delete that, and then put your own name. So you'll notice I did that and then put my name, Miss Day. And then you'll see on the next slide that there are some example photos that show cool things that happened at UPrep this year. But these aren't your photos, right? Unless they are of you, in which case you're welcome to use them. But most of them are not of you. So we want you to find your own photos. So the way you would do that is you would go on your phone and you would find a photo of you hanging out with some of your classmates or working on a project or at a sporting event, or a theater thing or a choir concert, whatever. Cool stuff that you did over the course of this year. So you'll find those photos and you will email them to yourself so that you have access to them if you're working on a Chromebook or if you're working on an iPad, or even better access from your phone potentially. So you're going to email them to yourself so then you can put them in your Google Slides presentation. If you need help figuring out how to email something to yourself, don't feel embarrassed. A lot of us have learning to do. This is new for a lot of people. So you can make a private comment on the Google Classroom post for this assignment so that your advisory teacher can help you figure out how to do that. Okay. So if you're like, okay, Miss Day, I don't have any cool photos, or I don't like the photos that I have, you would then go to Google and search up some cool places that you went this year. Maybe you went to a certain park that you really liked, or you did a science experiment about this chemical. I don't know. Something that you would like to showcase, and Google will have images if the ones on your phone you can't figure out how to send or you don't like them. So that is how to do your introductory slide.